Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best underwater drone for murky water you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Underwater drones have transformed our understanding of the depths of our oceans, lakes, and other bodies of water. Traditional underwater drones, on the other hand, struggle in murky water because they rely on clear visibility to navigate and capture high-quality footage. Fortunately, technological advancements have resulted in the development of underwater drones specifically designed for murky water conditions. These drones have powerful cameras, lights, and other features that allow them to operate in low light and low visibility environments. In this video, we'll look at some of the best underwater drones for murky water and what sets them apart from the competition. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. Geneinno Underwater Drone Camera. The Titan underwater drone features a 6-thruster design that allows for 360 degrees attitude control and smooth navigation in 6 directions, allowing it to withstand strong currents. It also includes a built-in posture sensor for precise navigation. The drone includes a wireless transmitter that connects to controlling devices via a 2.4 GHz frequency, allowing users to live stream their underwater journey to their smart devices in real time. The Titan has a UHD 4K camera that captures stunning 30 frames per second video and 1080p photo resolution, as well as a 160 degrees wide-angle lens to ensure you never miss a moment. It is simple to use and requires no complicated setup when using the Geneinno app on any iOS or Android smart device. Finally, the Titan is waterproof to military standards, allowing it to withstand underwater obstacles at pressures of up to 1.5 MPa, and it comes in a hard-shell suitcase for easy transportation. On number 4. Chasing F1 Underwater Drone. The F1 Fish Finder is an effective tool for anglers, with a detection depth of 20 m and the ability to quickly determine the depth, temperature, and bottom topography of surrounding waters. Its water temperature detection feature and real-time return of underwater topography aid in locating fish. The Fish Finder has a 1080 HD camera for clear underwater views and night vision for night fishing. Users can quickly and accurately locate fishing spots via the app's GPS positioning function and wireless control. The F1 Fish Finder also features HD live streaming, social media sharing, and 6-hour battery life. To avoid damage or loss, using the Fish Finder on soft water surfaces is critical. On number 3. Chasing Gladius Mini. The Chasing Gladius Mini underwater drone has a 4K 1080p 12MP UHD camera with an f3.0 lens and 2x1200 adjustable lumens LED lights, allowing you to see the underwater world in crystal clear detail. The drone has high-precision sensors and can dive to depths of 330 feet with a 100-meter tether and move at a speed of 2 meters per second, providing an immersive experience of marine life. The drone is controlled by a senior remote control with multiple human-computer interaction functions, and live broadcasts can be shared via app, HDMI, or VR glasses. The drone is portable, measuring 158.95.4 inches and weighing less than 5.5 pounds, and it comes with a waterproof backpack. In ideal conditions, the battery life can last up to 2 hours, but this can be affected by factors such as low light and excessive motor use. On number 2. FIFISH V6. The FIFISH V6 underwater drone features game-changing AI vision lock technology that allows for precise focus on a subject by utilizing dead reckoning navigation to accurately determine the positions of objects and deliver stable movements to lock onto subjects in real time. It can also swim in any direction while shooting 4K video or 12MP photos, making it ideal for marine inspection, aquaculture, and archaeological observation. It has an ultra-wide 166 degrees field of view, electronic image stabilization, a 12MP 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, a top ISO rating of 6400, and a 4000 lumens LED light, with support for H.265 encoding format and DNG, RAW, image format. The drone also has VR immersion, for hours of working time, posture lock, depth hold, and image stabilization features. The FIFISH support team is available to answer any questions about the underwater drone, with a 24-hour response time. On number 1. Chasing M2. The Chasing M2 is a professional and government underwater robot designed for scientific exploration, photography, inspection, fishery breeding, and emergency rescue. The device has a 4K plus EIS anti-shake camera, a 4000 lumens LED fill light, and self-developed anti-jam technology that allows it to operate safely and reliably in complex underwater environments. The Chasing M2 is compatible with a variety of mounts and has a maximum mounting capacity of 1.5 kilograms. It has a memory card slot that can hold up to 512 gigabytes of data and a replaceable battery. 97 watt-hours can be replaced by 200 watt-hours, that extends the working time. The device also includes a professional app and remote control for social sharing, live broadcasting, time-lapse photography, rapid material editing, and other functions, as well as the ability to record depth, temperature, and other parameters simultaneously. The M2 has 360-degree omnidirectional movement, powerful omnidirectional stability, and can dive up to 100 meters with a maximum horizontal radius of 200 meters. So guys, this was the video about the best underwater drone for murky water. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.